Now everyone's talking about the weather, the snow we got, and how cold it's going to be getting.
It changes seasons almost within 24 hours,
Yeah.
Jim.
I know,
Wow.
it's been incredible. The winds are kicking in now, temperatures are falling, and we'll show you the wind chills are dropping in the teens, and they're going to go even lower tonight. The good news is Threat Tracker shows that for the next several days, we're looking in pretty good shape. In fact, the lack of snow tonight, at least here in the Omaha Metro, will help us warm up as we head toward Sunday. If we take a look at radar, you can see things have definitely cleared out here. Off to the east of us, snow is ending over in central portions of Iowa. Northwest Iowa had 15 inches of snow. Up north of Sioux Falls, they had 19 inches. We had a couple inches as close as Blair. In fact, it was just north of the Douglas County line where the accumulating snow began, and then you head up toward Denison and then over toward Atlantic. They picked up 4 inches, but it was this gradient that was the hardest part of this storm to predict. It was actually forecast to be just a little bit further back toward the south and west. In terms of the road temperatures, right now they are above freezing. This is good news because the wind's kicking in. Looks like things may evaporate before they freeze. 34 at 75, Interstate 80, 86, 80, 35, head down toward Gretna along I-80, and the deck temperature there stands at 38 degrees. If we take a look at the air temperatures, well, they're right at the freezing mark, 32 in Omaha, lower 30s out to the west. In fact, you get out toward Columbus and Norfolk and Wayne, where they had the snow earlier today. Readings there are in the upper 20s. Now, the winds, they've been picking up out of the northeast right now, between about 15 and 25 miles an hour. There have been some higher gusts. When you add that to the temperature, wind chills upper teens, as cold as 15 in Denison, 14 in Carroll, and 14 in York. The good news is that the winds are forecast to diminish late tonight and then into tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at what's happening where you live tonight, and it's cold out. Readings are in the upper 20s to about 30 degrees in Weston Hills, 29 in Fair Acres, down to the south, 30 in Swanson Park, and 30 in Papillion. Out at Epley Airfield, there's still some flurries around. Temperature stands at 32. Winds are out of the north-northeast, currently at 20 miles an hour. Satellite radar combined shows the system moving quickly off to the east, heading over towards Chicago and Rockford with that snow basically north of Burlington. There are a few lingering flurries left behind, but they won't amount to much for the remainder of tonight. Let's take it through the forecast then as we kind of work our way through the overnight. Still, there are some stragglers in terms of flurries between here and Sioux City. They fall apart as we head towards 6 a.m. Readings lower 20s here, teens, where it clears out up to the north. Then as we head toward lunchtime, only around 30 degrees. We're going to have a lot of sun tomorrow, but boy, it's going to have a hard time warming things up. And then as we head into the afternoon, temperatures will reach the lower 30s. They'll climb much higher as we head into Sunday. For the remainder of the night, a few flurries around. Temperatures will settle back to about 20 degrees. The outlook for tomorrow, lots of sunshine, but cold. The high just 32. Over the next 3 days, on Sunday, again, without the snow cover here, temperatures in the mid-40s, about 50 on Monday, and then another system begins to move out as we head into next week. It bears watching because it could bring the possibility of some ice Thursday night into Friday morning. Temperatures on Friday only in the lower 30s. For the holiday itself, readings will be in the lower 40s. So big changes again by the end of next week. And if you're traveling, we'll keep you posted, especially for Friday, Thursday night into Friday. Possibility of maybe some snow, possibility of ice as this next system goes by.
All right, so we'll wait and see on that one.
Yeah, have to wait on that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks, Jim.
Yeah.
High wind.